Okay.
Alright. Oh wait, or does it open this? It might open this. Basement? Question mark? Are there cats in the basement? Are there cats in the basement? Hold up. Let me close the door so they don't run out.
No, it doesn't open that. It's too tiny for that.
How do you open a door, bro?
How do
they're
you
probably-
open a door,
they're probably
son?
locked. Let's go upstairs.
You can't.
Apparently not.
Hold on, wait, let me read this again. So, I don't know what's going on with the cat. The cat's trying to hide something, apparently. And then don't forget to feed the animals.